All right, number 33. We have human blood can be classified into four common blood types, A, B, AB, and O. It is also characterized by the presence of plus or absence, which is minus, of the rhesus factor. The table above shows the distribution of blood type and rhesus factor for a group of people. If one of the people who is rhesus negative is chosen at random, the probability that person has blood type B is 1 over 9. What's the value of X? Okay, so what we're trying to figure out is the X value here. And the only thing we have here, we have all these numbers for the blood type, right? And then for also the rhesus factor, positive or negative. And we also know that the probability of selecting somebody with out of those people with our rhesus negative, right? And the probability of selecting someone that has blood type B is 1/9. Okay, so based on that, we have to solve for X. Okay, so what we can say is this: the probability if we're selecting from those with a rhesus factor of negative, so only be the second row that we're looking at. Okay, so we're selecting from all these people, and we know the probability of selecting someone with a blood type B out of these groups. The second row is 1 over 9. So we can actually set up an equation. Right, so we're selecting from the total here. Well, we don't know what X is, but we can still represent the total by adding those numbers together. Right, so we can do 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus X. That would be the total with, so that's all the people with a rhesus factor negative. Right, then out of these people, the probability of selecting a blood type B is 2, right? We had 2 that have blood type B out of everybody here in the second row. Okay, and we know this probability should equal to 1 over 9. Okay, so you can write out this equation here. So 2 over 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus X equal to 1 over 9. And once we have the equation, we can use this equation to solve for X. All right, so this is similar to like a conditional probability. So we're only selecting out of those who was rhesus factor negative, right? So not everybody, okay? So only from the second row. So we have 2 over the total from the second row, okay? So to solve for X, we can do this. We can say this is 2 over 7 plus 2 plus 1, that's 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 over 10 plus X equal 1 over 9. And we can actually do a cross multiply here because we have 2 fractions on each side of the equation, right? So you can cross and multiply, we get, so 1 times 10 plus X is just 10 plus X. Let me read. Okay, so 1 plus 10 times X is 10 plus X. And the other cross, we have 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay, and to solve for X, you can just do minus 10 on both sides. You get X equal to 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. Okay, X equal to 8, and that will be our final answer for number 33.